Understanding, been on a TV bender. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in English conversations, been on a TV bender. If you're curious about what this means and when to use it, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together, so you can start using it in your conversations. First things first, let's dissect, been on a TV bender. This phrase combines two key components, been on and a TV bender. The word been is the past participle of be, and in this context, it indicates a state or experience that someone has had. The phrase on a bender traditionally refers to a period of excessive drinking or indulgence and other vices. However, when combined with TV, it takes on a more specific and less severe meaning. So, what does been on a TV bender actually mean? Simply put, it means that someone has spent a significant amount of time watching TV shows or movies back to back, often binge-watching entire seasons or series in a short period. This usually implies a level of excessive consumption that's more about indulgence and less about casual viewing. It's a modern phenomenon, especially with the rise of streaming services that provide access to countless shows and movies at the click of a button. Using been on a TV bender in conversation can be a great way to share your viewing experiences or inquire about someone else's. For example, if you've just finished watching an entire series over the weekend, you might say, "I've just been on a TV bender watching The Great British Bake Off." Or, if you notice a friend seems tired, you could ask, "Have you been on a TV bender? You look like you've been up all night watching shows." Understanding the cultural context behind been on a TV bender is crucial. This phrase reflects a broader cultural trend of binge-watching, where viewers immerse themselves in a TV series or movies, often leading to prolonged screen time. It's a testament to how digital media consumption has evolved, allowing people to indulge in their favorite content in a way that was not possible before streaming services became ubiquitous. And that wraps up our exploration of been on a TV bender. We hope this video has shed light on this contemporary phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this one offer a fun glimpse into current trends and behaviors. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video helpful.